Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get aloe vera and grow a garden. Okay, first of all guys, you can go to the cosmetics or crafting area or location here, and then you can select this menu, crafting, select recipe. Okay, click on this E icon, and then here you can select aloe vera if you want to get aloe vera. And then this is for the craft time, and these are the items you need to create this aloe vera. You need peace lily and prickly pear and summer coins. Craft the peace lily first, and you need rafflesia, cauliflower, and summer coins. And you can get the summer coins from the summer harvest event in Grow a Garden. And okay, now the summer harvest event has started, guys. And then we can join this event to get the summer coins. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get aloe vera and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.